20 secrets happy couples do every day. You can too. Hey there, lovebirds. Welcome back to Better You Blueprint, where we explore ways to build stronger connections and live more fulfilling lives. Today, we're diving into 20 daily habits that can transform your romantic relationship. These habits aren't just fluff. They're practical, meaningful, and backed by relationship experts. So, whether you're just starting out or you've been together for years, there's something here for everyone. Ready to strengthen your bond? Let's get started. 1. Communicate openly. First up, communication. This is the cornerstone of any strong relationship. But we're not just talking about the "how was your day" type of communication. I mean sharing your thoughts, feelings, and even your vulnerabilities. For example, if something your partner did upset you, instead of bottling it up, try saying, "I felt hurt when this happened." This keeps the conversation constructive and builds trust over time. 2. Practice gratitude. Next is gratitude. Do you take time to thank your partner for the little things? Like making coffee, picking up groceries, or even just being there for you. A simple, "thank you for being so thoughtful," can make your partner feel valued and appreciated. Gratitude shifts the focus from what's missing to what's already amazing in your relationship. 3. Hug and kiss daily. Physical touch isn't just about passion, it's about connection. Studies show that hugging for even 20 seconds releases oxytocin, the love hormone. So, before you head out the door or when you come home, make it a habit to give your partner a genuine hug or kiss. It's a small act, but it speaks volumes. 4. Say, "I love you." Now, don't let the words, "I love you," become routine or lose their meaning. Say it with intention, not just as a reflex. And if words aren't your thing, show it with actions, like cooking their favorite meal or helping out when they're stressed. 5. Actively listen. When your partner talks, are you really listening, or just waiting for your turn to speak? Active listening means putting down your phone, maintaining eye contact, and responding thoughtfully. When your partner feels heard, it deepens emotional intimacy. 6. Share laughter. Shared laughter is one of the simplest ways to bond. Watch a funny movie, share a silly meme, or just laugh at each other's quirks. It lightens the mood and reminds you to enjoy the little things. 7. Prioritize quality time. Quality time doesn't have to mean a fancy date night every day. It can be as simple as a 10-minute coffee chat in the morning or a nightly walk around the block. The key is to be fully present. 8. Check in during the day. Checking in doesn't mean you're being clingy, it means you care. A quick text like, "How's your day going?" or "Thinking of you," can brighten your partner's day and remind them that they're on your mind. 9. Compliment each other. Compliments are small but powerful. Don't just focus on their appearance. Compliment their character, like saying, "I love how patient you were with the kids," or "You always know how to make me laugh." It's a great way to boost their confidence and show you notice the things that make them unique. 10. Share responsibilities. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? Sharing responsibilities, whether it's cooking, cleaning, or decision-making, shows that you respect and value each other as equals. For example, try splitting household chores or planning meals together. It strengthens your partnership and reduces stress. 11. Resolve conflicts quickly. Disagreements are normal, but it's how you handle them that matters. Instead of letting anger fester, address issues calmly and respectfully. Say, "I feel," instead of pointing fingers with, "you always." 12. Show acts of kindness. Little gestures like surprising your partner with their favorite treat or offering to help with something they're struggling with can mean so much. These acts show you're thinking about their happiness daily. 13. Be playful. Who says relationships have to be serious all the time? A little playfulness can go a long way in keeping the spark alive. Play a game, tease each other gently, or even have an impromptu dance-off in your living room. For instance, you could challenge your partner to a pillow fight or prank them with something harmless like switching their coffee mug for a giant one. These moments of fun create memories that you'll both treasure. 14. Encourage each other's growth. One of the greatest things you can do for your partner is support their dreams and personal growth. Whether it's cheering them on as they pursue a new hobby, helping them prepare for an important presentation, or just listening to their ideas, your encouragement shows that you believe in them. Remember, when one of you grows, the relationship grows too. So, ask questions like, how can I support you better? Or, what's a goal you're working on right now? 15. Practice active empathy. Empathy is the glue that holds relationships together. When your partner is upset, don't rush to solve the problem or dismiss their feelings. Instead, say something like, I can see why that would upset you, or, that sounds really tough. I'm here for you. Even if you don't fully understand their emotions, showing that you're trying can make a world of difference. 16. Create rituals together. Rituals might sound like a fancy word, but it's really about creating shared moments that belong just to the two of you. It could be something as simple as a morning coffee routine, Friday movie nights, or saying, good night, in a special way every day. These rituals provide a sense of stability and connection, even when life gets hectic. 17. Be affectionate with words. Affection isn't always about physical touch, it's also about words. Sending sweet texts during the day, leaving love notes, or just saying, I'm so lucky to have you in my life, can deepen your bond. For example, try surprising your partner with a text that says, I was just thinking about how amazing you are, and I couldn't help but smile. Simple, but so impactful. 18. Keep surprises alive. Who doesn't love a good surprise? It doesn't have to be something big or expensive. Sometimes the smallest gestures have the biggest impact. For instance, you could bring home their favorite snack, plan a surprise picnic, or even just leave a post-it note on the bathroom mirror that says, you've got this. Surprises show that you're thinking about your partner and keep the relationship exciting. 19. Show patience. Patience is an underrated yet essential part of any relationship. No one is perfect, and we all have moments where we fall short. Showing patience during those times, whether it's with their habits, moods, or mistakes, builds trust and shows your unconditional love. For example, if your partner is late or forgets something important, take a deep breath and respond with understanding instead of frustration. Ask yourself, how can I help them rather than make them feel worse? 20. End each day positively. Finally, end each day on a positive note. Never go to bed angry. Trust me, unresolved arguments can linger and create distance. Even if the day has been chaotic or stressful, take a moment to express love and gratitude before falling asleep. Say something like, I'm grateful for you, or simply cuddle for a few minutes. These bedtime habits create a sense of peace and security in your relationship. And there you have it, 20 daily habits to build a strong and loving relationship. Remember, love isn't about grand gestures, it's the small, consistent actions that truly matter. Which of these habits are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more tips and insights on building a better life and relationships. Thanks for spending time with us, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep spreading the love.